All right, so we've made it through the week, and welcome back. Happy Friday. Hope you had a good week. I hope you're looking forward to your weekend. Now, what many of you may not realize is that there is a fund or a stock or a ticker or whatever out there that just about monitors everything that that can be monetized. And one of those things is real estate mortgages. So we're going to look today at a ticker REM, which stands for real estate mortgages. And I'm going to show you the opportunity. I'm going to show you how there's some real upside for a downside move. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into that. I know it's Friday. We're going to make it quick today. No reason to lag on timing. But 16.34% is nothing to be ashamed of. So, big picture, you can see obviously mortgage applications and mortgages kind of collapsed with COVID, but then you saw that they kind of went, wild, on the other side of that. Now, interest rates are starting to rise, and with the rise of interest rates, mortgages are starting to cool off again. So, with that, obviously the opportunity was to the downside. So, we had a nice uptrend here. We broke, made a channel. What we call a channel extension completion. Price hovered around support, and then it finally broke again. So that's where we took our most recent opportunity, was based on the close of this candle right here. So buyers remained in control here, sellers overtook here, stop was placed above, this was the entry. So the nice thing about this is this orange channel was descending, so it continued to put pressure on the position. And the nice thing about our target was that was also descending, which had given us an original entry target at 28.47, but when we were finally filled, it was at 26.18, offering us 16.34%, which is, in all honesty, fantastic. This is really quite the trade. So first starting, out of the gate, we were looking for 9, and then when we closed out, 16 and change roughly. So almost double compared to what our original anticipation was. There was an opportunity at some point to move the stop probably right here above our entry. However, once you saw price action really accelerated, it really just accelerated right through our target. So it really didn't even require much management. So you had a confirmed downtrend here, trending well below the 200-day moving average. So that was kind of out of the picture. And you can see, this market has clearly rolled over. This downtrend was in formation for a while. And there's really no better spot than for a break like this, essentially right at resistance. You could pick, your perfect stop loss, really minimize the entry and maximize your target. So I want to end the week on a super sexy note. To me, this is a super sexy trade. 16.34% real estate mortgages. The iShares Trust for real estate mortgages. These are what we're looking for, guys. When the shoe fits like this, gosh, it's just as nice as can possibly be. So figured I'd share this with you. These are the kind of ideas that you are well aware of that are part of my weekly market report. If you want to learn more about that, there's links in the email. If not, please keep tuning in. The idea is to get as much exposure to my analysis and my approach to the market so that you are able to help yourselves be better traders. That's what the goal of me taking all these hours every week, preparing all this content and material, formatting everything is so that you have the opportunity to learn, and with learning, you have the opportunity to grow, and with growing, you have the opportunity to increase your profitability. So I hope you have a great weekend. Thank you for spending your time with me this week. As always, it's much appreciated. I am humbled that you've taken time out of your day, and I look forward to speaking with you again early next week.